Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm a new blogger, Crypto Hand. I use the shortest time every day to bring you the most practical information about the coin circle, stocks, and the futures circle. However, I have to say that the following content is only for news, not for investment advice. First of all, let's review Bitcoin's price performance over the past 24 hours and analyze key technical indicators and market trends. If you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's take a look at the data first. In the past 24 hours, Bitcoin has reached $87,000 and continued to fall. It has now fallen slightly to around $85,000. In 24 hours, the highest point reached around $87,450, and the lowest point fell to around $84,500. The trading volume fell slightly to about 22,090 bitcoins. In terms of trading volume, the trading volume in the past 24 hours was $176.72 billion US dollars. After yesterday's slight increase, it is normal to fall back today. Whether it can accumulate strength for next week depends on the results of the hearing from the new SEC chairman on the 27th. Although it is just a procedure, the hearing process will affect the trend of the currency price. Similarly, it is a stage where it can go up or down. You can wait for the opening of the U.S. stock market next week and the judgment of major institutions on the news over the weekend before making any operations. Next, we move on to the technical analysis. From the 4-hour chart, after Bitcoin broke through $85,000, the trading volume continued to rise, reaching 22,000 Bitcoins. Then yesterday, a negative line was drawn directly, and the 4-hour chart continued to fall. However, this is normal. At present, the main trading volume in the market is supported by short-term players. Basically, they take profits and leave, and will not hold for too long. The 1-hour chart is even more obvious. The price touched $86,000 twice. The first time it was a small correction, and the second time it fell directly, indicating that short-term traders have no more expectation. The current value of the market's fear and greed index is 31, which has returned to a state of fear. It can be seen that even in such a depressed market, there are still a small number of players entering into the short-term trading. Under such fluctuations, there is nothing to panic for short-term players. The current market price is waiting for a favorable or unfavorable decision, and this period of time may be 1 month or 3 months. There is also a chance to seize wells during this shock, but you need to control your positions. In summary, Bitcoin has been on a downward trend in the past 24 hours. After breaking through the resistance level of $85,000, it did not occupy this position but fell directly, and the amount of decline was far greater than the previous rising trading volume, indicating that the overall market is still dominated by short sellers. The next news may become important factors to stimulate the market. The first is the appointment of important positions in the U.S. financial sector, such as the SEC chairman on March 27. The second is whether U.S. tariffs on Canada and Mexico will be implemented on April 3rd. If you are a short-term trader, you can choose to go short or long based on the conclusion of the meeting. If you are a long-term holder, you can enter the market at the current position, and if it continues to fall, you can continue to buy by DCA. BRPay platform will provide you with better and more convenient services in the SEPT market. BRPay is a world-leading multi-asset trading center headquartered in Singapore. It has successfully established subsidiaries and expanded its business in the United States, Hong Kong, and other places. At present, the number of registered users has reached 509,000, covering various countries and regions around the world. Its business includes global payments and international remittance, as well as major investment services such as U.S. stocks, Hong Kong stocks, and digital currencies. BRPay currently supports online real-time exchange of more than 30 mainstream legal currencies and more than 200 mainstream digital currencies. You can check the exchange rate and convert it on the BRPay website. It provides a mid-rate with zero hidden price differences and has only a very small handling fee, which is simpler, more transparent, and cheaper. It also adopts the local transfer method in most countries or regions in the world, with no limit on the amount, and truly achieves same-day remittance and the same day of arrival, making global remittance faster, more convenient, and safer. So much for today's sharing. See you tomorrow.